this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to be here and to open this box. Mindy, I blame you for this purchase because I was not going to be purchasing this. So, just a second, let me open it. So, there are a couple companies that I have on my wish list that I am purchasing from. And this was my November company that I wanted to purchase from. My December company, I'm going to have to wait. I'm just kind of out of funds for December. I chose to use those funds in a different way. So I still have my list for January. It's very hard when, you want to purchase things and you have a budget. But I was watching Mindy, and she opened one of these, and I immediately went to go purchase it, and it was sold out. So I emailed the person for this company and said, oh my gosh, are you getting these back in stock? Because I know Christmas is, coming to a close as far as the consumer side of Christmas. And one of these paintings is Christmas related, and I didn't know if she was, excuse me, now you know it's me because I yawn in my videos. Excuse me. And she said yes, she was just waiting for an order to come in and to, keep watching. And I was like, hey, can you by chance let me know when it goes live? Because if it sells out, I would be devastated. And so thank you so much. So this is from Amy with Crystal Canvas Art Designs. And she has her own website, which is crystalcanvas.usa. And I am super, super excited. So one of these, I'll open the Christmas one first. This is the one that Mindy, I was waiting to order two from Amy, and I only had one so far on my wish list. And then when Mindy opened this one, I was like, oh, great. Now I'm going to have to buy this. So, what I love about Crystal Arts, all their canvases are crystal. It looks like, it came in a box. Amy is here in the United States. On the box is a picture. I don't know if you can see that, but this is a red truck with a tree in the back. And so you get a picture on the box. You get an inventory sheet, which is awesome. It doesn't have the symbols on it, though. So I will probably still make a copy from the canvas itself and then run it through my sticker maker. But it does say how many you're supposed to get of each. What is this? That's odd. Oh, those are the color numbers, and then how many you're supposed to get of each one. So I guess, I don't know if it's DMC or not. It doesn't look like it. So, you want to see the painting? Isn't this gorgeous? So this is, it says glimmer, shimmer, and shine at the bottom. It has the diamonds. And then this is the beautiful red truck with the tree in the back and a wreath. And then here's your red barn in the back. It was just gorgeous. And here's her crystalcanvas.usa. She has her logo, Crystal Art, a paint by number concept. Over here are your symbols. And then these are what they call the diamond number. It looks like some of them might be DMC because I know 154 is a purple, but some of them may not be a DMC number. It is a poured glue, which is really awesome, and it's super sticky. The symbols are, you know, standard symbols. It's got letters and numbers. Just put my own bubble in there. And then I'm going to bring it up close so you guys can see. Don't know if you're getting a shine. So sorry if you are. Maybe if I take that off, you can see it better. But the symbols are very clear. It doesn't have what we call the training wheels or the dummy circles. It's more, which I love when companies do this, where the symbol is lighter. So it kind of creates its own circle. And let's see, it comes, I've never gotten one of these trays before, but there's a square tray, thing of wax, a thing of tweezers, a single placer, standard pen, and then these are the crystals. Looks like they're in number order. I got two little stragglers right there. And I got a couple more over here. They're not even crystals. Alright, so yes, they are in number order. But these colors are gorgeous. So you've got aqua and red and like an amber color and pink and browns. You got some golds in here. Beautiful greens. Look at these green colors. So you've got like a dark, what do you call that? It's like a dark lime color. And then this vibrant bright green, and then some more green. It's just going to be gorgeous, guys. Just gorgeous. So I'm super excited that, you know, God blessed me with the opportunity to purchase this painting. And Mindy, I told my husband that you're to blame, so he might be giving you a call. It's all your fault. Maybe I'll even label this video that it's the Mindy Project. Alright, so I'm going to roll this back up. It comes rolled around the drills or the diamonds or the crystals, whatever you feel like calling it. Put it back in there. Let's put the... Okay. Oh, I didn't give the size. It's a 40 by 50. So 40 by 50 is my favorite size. It goes in a frame well. Usually I'm getting detail in a 40 by 50 that I'm looking for. And then this one is a 30 by 50. And when I saw somebody showed this done, they did a little like 10-second Instagram clip video. I was like, I've got to get this for. It is an orange Gerber daisy. And my wall here has my red and yellow sunflower framed behind me, and I thought this would look beautiful next to it. So this is interesting. I got a green boat instead of a square, and then you get the tweezers and the single placer and the wax. It is wrapped around the drills. And isn't that gorgeous? You've got this big black center and these gorgeous colors, and it's just so, you've got some color blocking but some confetti as well. It's 13 colors. The other one I think was 30 colors, if I remember right. Yep, 30 colors. So this one didn't come with an inventory sheet. But she's got her website up at the top. You've got over here. Now this one looks like it has the DMC numbers on here. And this also has some stragglers that are not crystals, some blue dots. That's okay. Forgive the crinkle. But these colors are just gorgeous. So let me put it on the back of this white so you can see them better. So you've got all of these oranges and reds and yellows and coppers. It's just beautiful. So, yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to dive into this company and see how everything looks so far. I've heard great things, and I can't wait to review it myself. So I will put the link down below, but definitely go check out. I believe everything Christmas is still on sale, so you might be able to go grab some Christmas stuff. She's got some great looking snowmen and Christmas trees and just different Christmas themes. She also has some whimsical things, you know, fairies and dragons. She has flowers, you know, just a little bit of everything, and it's all crystal. So, and it's poured glue. She's here in the United States. It's free, at least mine was free shipping. I don't know if you have to have a certain dollar amount to do that, but that was really nice. And she's very personable. You can email her. You can not call her. Oh my goodness. Poor Amy. She's going to be like, what were you saying? But you can email her or Facebook her. That's what I was saying. And she's very quick to respond back. And so I just hope that you go check her out. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. If you do, give me a thumbs up down below. If you want more unboxings or want to see the review of these when I'm done, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So until next time, be blessed, guys. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.